how to add fingerprint lock to mobile. So hello guys, in this pictorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that you will simply go to settings, but before that, if fingerprint option was available in mobile physically, so you can add it, otherwise you cannot add it. So if you have, we will simply go to settings. It was on all mobile phones. Here you guys will search for fingerprint. Once you search for it, you guys will see fingerprint animation sound. Also you guys will see face and fingerprint unlock, or simply click on that. Once you click on that, you guys will see screen lock, face and fingerprint unlock. So simply click here. Here you guys will see face fingerprint. So simply click on fingerprint. Now here you guys will see finger 1, finger 2, add fingerprint. If you don't have activated that, it will say on the add a fingerprint. So simply click on add a fingerprint. Once you click on it, click on OK. Now place your finger on fingerprint. Here you guys will simply add your finger on device. And once you complete that, your fingerprint will be added to your device. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.